Whakataumaira ki Atiawa Toa, Noel in the house for your Rāmere Rap Battles. Every Friday we choose a bit of a kaupapa to rap about with Noel versus...
me, your boy Powder in the morning. And this week we're talking about this place we call home. It's called Waiwhetu. And a bit of action around here yesterday, but everything's looking pretty cool today. So let's get straight into it. It's your Rāmere Rap Battles with myself and DJ Noel.
Go, here we go.
So let me tell you about this little place that I call home. Just saying Waiwhetu puts a shiver down my bone. I was born in Chicha, down in the very cold, but now I've made my way back to the top of the throne. I made it back here to this place we call home. Just saying Waiwhetu puts a shiver down my bone. Now yo, te piki whara, a powder in the morning. You can get me when you're kind of snoring. I'm ripping nothing, but this place we call home is Waiwhetu. Nothing like this place we call home.
Yeah, kei hea ataku u kaipo. Tūranga waiwai I te ao I te pō. Taku uta taku tai, ki te whanganui ātara ki te upoko o te ika. Ma te rahi atiawa e kautere mai rā, ki te tihi o te maunga apoke atua. Waiwhetu te awa, waiwhetu te kainga, waiwhetu te ahika. Roa, me hoi ia te waka. Aroha nui ki te tangata, te rā o te raukura. Gawai e whetu ana piata ngā karu ki Waiwhetu.
So there you go, whānau. That's your Rāmere Rap Battle for this week. We'll do it again next week with a different kaupapa.
That's right, every Friday, join us for your Rāmere Rap Battles right here at Atiawa Toa.